What is sunk cost fallacy? Definition: the misconception you make rational decisions based on the future value of objects, investments and experiences. The truth: your decisions are tainted by the emotional investments you accumulate, and the more you invest in something the harder it becomes to abandon it. Example: a person struggled for years in a troubled relationship. His girlfriend cheated on him time and again. Each time, she came back repentant and begged for forgiveness. He explained it this way: "I've invested so much energy in the relationship, it would be wrong to throw it away." A classic case of the sunk cost fallacy.
Read more on mycognitivebiases.com. Everything you need to know about cognitive biases, definitions, examples, experiments, and more.